Good day, my ardent followers. We have completed our series on Yoruba alphabet. Today, we are going to look at Yoruba Nasal Vowels. We call it Faweli, Aranmupe. Faweli, Aranmupe. They are 5 in numbers, and they are e, e. Let's take it again. E, e. Now let's look at the example where this vowel feature. Ibadan, city. Ìtàn, history or story. Ìtàn, tie. Àgbọ̀n, basket. Ọ̀kín, a beautiful bird. Ikùn, stomach. Okùn, rope. Ìyẹn, that one. These are the Yoruba Nasal Vowels. I hope you have understood this lesson. Till next time when I come on your way, I'm yours sincerely, Ademola Amuda, your host. Bye bye.